obviously I'm at work. It's Vlogmas. I wanted to do the 25 days of Vlogmas, but I know I would be setting myself up because I just feel like I don't do enough to be doing 25 days. But anyway, I'm at work, so let me catch you up on some things. Let me show you what's going on. First and foremost, I'm like obsessed with my new planner, you know, my pencil pouch. All right, so this patient had a 2nd degree heart block. It's a little funky looking, but I labeled it a 2nd degree and told the nurse she may not think so, but the reason why I think it's a 2nd degree is because it has 2 P waves. Like, I know the P waves look a little wonky, but I see 2 P waves, so I labeled it a 2nd degree. So yeah, that's all that has happened so far. Anyway, so that's all that's happened on the monitor. Everyone else is sinus rhythm or sinus tach. No one's really doing anything. My lunch break is in 30 minutes, so we'll talk a little more then. So I just didn't want to be like recording because then they're gonna be looking at me like, girl, you supposed to be doing your job. So right now I'm strictly I haven't done anything for benefits, like the health benefits. It's a little disorganized there. Right now I'm doing strictly payroll because payroll is due tomorrow for everyone to get paid, and they are like extremely behind. I don't know if they are short-staffed or they were just procrastinating. I don't know. So I'm helping them work on that. It is math involved. It's basic math though. Problem solving. But other than that, yeah, that's it. What else am I trying to say? I'm going to the mall because I really want to get my upper lip waxed. I don't know if y'all can see that, because I usually just take an eyebrow shaver and, you know, clean it up, but it has been going fast lately, so I'm gonna see if I can just get it waxed and get my eyebrows like together. But here's an update. So the security guard at my job is foreign. He is, and you know, we've been making eye contact, but he hasn't said nothing yet, so maybe he's one of the shy ones, so I gotta say something first. So I might make my move tomorrow. We don't know. But first, I need to get this lip wax before I make any moves. But
3 months, she's been like walking, cooking, cleaning, everything. No, she's fine, fabulous, because she don't have a stroke like these strokes. Welcome, everything, and it's, they send people. They give us card.
guys, do y'all see my eyebrows? She messed me up. Like, they're shaped well, but like, what is this? So I told her like it's crooked. She was like, no, it's your eyebrows. Ma'am. So I'm sitting here ducking and diving. I'm at the food court right now, but now I have to figure out how to fix this myself because like, you brought it down too far, baby girl. And she's like, oh, it's your first time getting it tinted, so, you know, okay, this will be my last time getting it tinted. See, the person who I usually go to, their thing is closed. I think they're closed for good. So I went to her. Next time, just the threading, that's it. Because this, oh my God. Now how's the security guard gonna see me like this? No. I guess I can, like, if it doesn't wipe off, I could do some like concealer. Like, look at that. I managed to make it back into the car. I was ducking. Once again, she did a good job shaping, getting my lip together, but like, I will never get a tinting ever again because of her. She ruined, like, I wanted to go to Chick-fil-A, but there were so many black people working there. I was like, no, they finna talk about me, because the little kids was already laughing at me. Like, they saw my face and they saw that I was like, and they was laughing. I'm embarrassed. If I cannot fix this by tomorrow, you know what? If she ruins my chance with my future husband, I'm gonna come back and visit her. And it's not gonna be for a daggone tinting. Are you serious? I'm in my car, so it's not good lighting, but like, ma'am. I'm gonna go home and cry. You know, I had got a fortune cookie the other day, and it said something about be prepared for a thrilling experience. And I didn't know that it meant my eyebrows was gonna be messed up. Just pray for me, y'all, because she did this on purpose. At this point, she did this on purpose. Okay, so I think I fixed my brow. They just look a little dark. I mean, they were freshly done, tinted, so hopefully they get lighter over time, but they don't look as bad. I had to do like some concealer underneath and then shading up here to make it even, but they don't look bad. I think if I put lashes on, it will balance out how dark they are. I don't know. Y'all comment down below if y'all think my eyebrows are trash. I just like keep staring at myself because I'm like, yeesh. Okay. Anyway, I'm not doing anything else. I'm about to just wind down for the night, get ready for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. So look at my eyebrows. I think they look really good. So this is how I corrected them from even last night. I washed them, which I know you're not supposed to, but I had to get this one together. I still had to fill that part in a little bit, but other than that, like, they look good. Like, if she would have just did my tinting like this, I would have been very happy. Maybe next time I should outline my eyebrows so she knows where to go and where not to go. But anyway, I'm late per usual. Well, I'm late getting out of the house. I'll make it to work on time. So yeah, I will see you guys. I don't even know if I'll see you guys at work, to be honest, because payroll is due at 6 p.m. and I have a ginormous stack of people's pay things, like timesheets, to correct and get in the system. So, and for some reason, see, this is why I get it when people be like, oh, I don't be doing my job, you know, that well, because they'll give you more responsibility. But I do like responsibility. I volunteered because I want to learn payroll. Because, guys, let me give you guys some gems. If you're trying to advance your career in any type of way, whatever job you have, start asking for more responsibility. You know, whether it's, you know, the manager, that she needs help, ask, like, can I help you? Like, what can I do? So then when you get your resume, you can put all this stuff that you have done, and then you can level up. That's what I'm doing. It's not that I want to do all of this stuff. It's just the fact that I want my resume to be like the jack of all trades. So when someone gets my resume, they're like, yeah, we need her. And then when they see my resume as well, that I am so versatile, they gotta pay me what I'm worth, or I'm walking. So that's what I'm doing, to be honest. All right, that's enough of me talking. I will see you guys when I am doing something worth filming. Bye. All right, vlog. So I took my pictures or whatever. I don't know. They just weren't giving what I wanted them to give. So I just, yeah, I quit taking my pictures. Yeah, so what do you guys do on Christmas Eve? Like, do y'all have like, and look at my lashes. They're just as crooked as when I had my eyebrows first time. But anyway, so don't mind my lashes. I'm most likely gonna take them off anyway, because I'm not doing anything today. It's Christmas Eve. So like I was saying, do you guys like have any Christmas traditions? Like Christmas Eve, do you guys like get together with your cousins or something like that? Because I feel like I don't have any. I kind of started my own tradition, as in like I just watch Christmas movies all day. They did ask me to work at Telemetry, but I'm sorry, I cannot. I just don't want to. It's not like I'm doing anything, but I just don't want to. Yeah, so I don't know, like I'm hungry. I don't know if I want to cook or order or go get something. Just very indecisive. I do know that I'm going to clean a little bit and just get ready for Christmas. I have everyone's gift cards because that's what people are getting. I just need to put them in cards and sign them. Other than that, actually, I might not even do that, to be honest. I might just give them the gift card and that's it. I know it's ghetto, but that's just how I'm feeling. I feel like Christmas came mad quick. It came super early. I mean, it didn't, but it just like, I feel like December, this whole year just flew by. So I just wasn't ready. Wasn't ready at all. So yeah. And that's how I'm feeling. And that's on that. So I guess if I go do something, I will show you guys. Is this the end of the vlog? Because I was supposed to be vlogging all week. And I haven't. This is not the end. It's not the end. Okay, I'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? So I'm about to go see some Christmas lights in 30 minutes. So I'm about to just kind of get ready. I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna, actually, ain't nobody gonna see me. It's nighttime. I'm gonna be in a car. And I'm not going with a significant other. I'm going with my family, okay? So no, I'm not about to do that. Other than take my hair out this bonnet. That's it. And I was just looking at the footage of this vlog. Trash. I'm not even gonna hold you. I was supposed to be filming every single day to get this little week knocked out before Christmas. And I didn't do it. I don't know what I was doing. Nothing. That's what I was doing. I was just relaxing. Like, I can't even show you guys presents that I bought people because I didn't buy no presents. I bought everybody a gift card for like $20, $25. Cheap. That's it. That's it. I ain't do nothing all day either. I've been watching Christmas movies. I've been lounging around. That's it. So there's nothing to tell you. But I will show you guys the Christmas lights, and that's gonna be the end of the vlog. This boring vlog, and I'm so sorry. And I'll see you guys on Christmas Day. I'm gonna do better, I promise you. I promise you I'm gonna do better. But I'll see you guys when I go see Christmas lights, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year
nice. It's cold out here, but cute. And I'm glad that I filled in my eyeliner because I didn't think that we were gonna be, no, I didn't think that we would be stepping outside, but it's actually a walkthrough, not a drive-through. So I'm glad that I look decent.
Are you filming?
I'm vlogging.
Let me vlog. Yo, what's up? You know, I'm in Gallipolis, Ohio. I'm in Gallipolis, Ohio. You know, I'm checking out this place. You know what I'm saying? I ain't seen nothing like this. I mean, even back when I was, you know what I'm saying, in LA locked up, I ain't seen nothing like this. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna keep it real.